Hi, I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and I'm here to show you safe knitting for unraveling. Sometimes when you're using a yarn that's got a varied thickness or a lot of fluff, you have to be careful not to put your needle in a place that's not really where it goes. Like you might be splitting the yarn somehow, and that's the kind of thing that will make it very hard to unravel if you need to rip out. So all I would say is just be careful that each time you've put your needle in the hole and you're not catching any little bit. And in a second, we'll unravel this. And imagine you've made a mistake in your pattern and you need to rip it out. Let's check and see how it will go. So far, so good. I'm Cara Graver at the Cobb Studio, and that was Safe Knitting for Unraveling.